And I welcome your testimonial. Was this training? How was I as a trainer? Was it effective? Whatever.
So basically, Bhavna, I got your reference from Gayatri. I have learned storytelling from Gayatri, and I have seen how she has grown into what all she's been doing right now. And I had a lot of insights, or my brain wasn't functioning properly lately. So into all that, I knew what basics of what NLP was. And so I asked Gayatri, whom can I learn NLP from? And then she suggested that Bhavna is my friend and she is taking online courses right now. So you can just get in touch with her and get on with your training. She's been training right now. And that's how I got to know about NLP techniques that you teach. And it has, it has cleared my mind in every possible way that I was looking out for in all this while. Why this is not working, the self-talk that I had, why this is not happening, why this is not working, why am I not doing this. So I had insights and probably answers for every self-talk that a negative self-talk or an unresourceful self-talk that I had. I am I'm getting to get more resourceful with that from the entire 6-day training. And thanks to you, you have been a great teacher. You've been very patient with us. But yes, I loved it. And in a way, I would love to explore more after I observe and apply it more in my daily life. I would like to learn more of NLP.
Yes.
Maybe the practitioner or the master practitioner.
Yes. Wonderful. NLP is finally application, and that feedback, that the way it helps you grow is just fabulous. Thank you so much, Richa, for sharing. Yes, Deepa.
Apna, I would connect the curiosity of knowing NLP with my career first, because I did come to know about a lot of NLP courses online, offline, books, but I never knew, or there was always curiosity in it, but I was not sure whether that's going to be helpful in terms of me in my personal life or my professional life. So I did get a suggestion from one of my friend. Her name is Subhashini Subramaniam. She is from Bangalore. She did suggest your name. I think she also attended one of your sessions which you took on a webinar. So that's how I came to know about your courses, and I did when I did go to Instagram and check the different courses available your website. So I got a clear picture of, okay, this is there's a lot of detail that you've given about the course. So it somehow connected me in terms of the application perspective and how it's going to be helpful. I kind of could see myself, going through the course and benefiting out of it. Then I approached you. We had a beautiful conversation of grade 1 and grade 2, which I still would remember. And to be very honest, I always had this question, why? So after attending the course, I understood that you also have what, how, and when more important than why. And the entire perspective of knowing yourself, being aware of what you are, what your frames are, and how to convert unresourceful frame to a resourceful frame. And the fact that you don't need a validation or a motivation from an external entity to keep yourself motivated and aware of what is happening within you is something I would carry for my entire life probably. And definitely it's going to impact the person who I am, and hence would impact the people who I interact with. So that is how I'm taking this training. I'm really lucky and happy that I got to meet you and I took this course, and it is definitely going to change my perception of things and my view about things or happenings within ourselves or probably outside. So thank you so much, Bhavna.
Oh, fabulous. Thank you so much, Deepa. I'm so glad. Especially anybody who works in the education field, I'm even more close because makes so much of a difference in your entire ecosystem. So thank you so much, Deepa, for being a part of this program.
Can I say?
Yes, Chitra.
Okay, no, I mean, I know you from way back, so that is a different matter. But even about NLP, I knew, but like Deepa, I was wondering what am I going to do with that? I don't know. Maybe this is not for me. This is a little above me, and all that was my idea. Again, Gayatri was the one who really kind of pushed me into it, saying, "With Bhavna, you do a session. It would be good." Because I was actually looking for only a counseling for my relationship, personal relationship. But I mean, then again, I was wondering how it would help me. But she said it would be of a great help. Believe me, you just get it. So then, you know very well that I first only opted for the first level.
Yes.
And then I knew that it was very interesting, captivating, and it was very useful. Sometimes when I used to sit here for 3 hours,
Yes.
for that day or for that particular particular day's event or some other issue, during this session, it is as though I'm getting an answer. I used to get an answer. It was to kind of give me that aha moment. Also, sometimes
Yes.
some light comes out.
Yes.
So that way. So then I understood that okay, I have to continue and finish all the 6 days. Otherwise, there is no sense.
Yeah.
And then there is such a lovely group here. I really wanted to be with them for 3 more days. Otherwise, I was only for 3 days opted for it. And it really had shaken up my established beliefs and things like that. And definitely, you are a great motivator. There's no doubt about it. So you would be kind of your voice would come behind me and keep saying things. Maybe I think it will be a great success. I am already envisioning, that line I have drawn, and then there is that future thing there. That Chitra is looking at me, and so I know, yes, I will make it.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Fabulous, Chitra. Fabulous. Thank you so much for sharing that. Thank you so much. Yes.
Tarun, you want to go ahead?
Okay. So I got to know about NLP through Sanjana. We had the first talk, I think, approximately a year ago. But then we didn't get into details. But towards November or December, I was more curious about it. And that is when she gave me an entire 3-hour conversation about, okay, this is what it can do. So the moment you put up your first webinar in the first week of April online, she said that she was one of the people who put it up on her WhatsApp feeds. And I said, okay, I'm going to register for this. So after the thing on April 3rd, I'm like, okay, I'm going to get into it. I'm going to get committed because I knew your classes were in Hyderabad and Vizag at present. So I said, this is the best opportunity for me to learn from you.
Yes.
Coming from me, I'm more of an ambivert. I will not talk initially, but once I start talking, probably I don't stop. But to get that done with 5 other people to get me those, because one of the things that he told on the second day of class was that now Tarun's sitting back in his chair, and by the end of the course, he's going to be coming and sitting forward, which happened, which I noticed myself on Friday and Saturday. Because I was looking at myself, I'm like, okay, I'm not at the back of the chair now. I had to make a conscious effort, like go back and sit in the chair. So yes, it's not that I was. It was absolutely unconscious because of that, the keenness of the way the teaching was, the way the methodologies were. It helped me to connect more, because coming from someone who's always been pretty rigid, had his own self-beliefs, it takes a lot for all those different beliefs to percolate and get within me for acceptance. So had I done the 3-day course, I do not think, honestly, it would have had as much an impact. And a small example of how things changed, as I told in probably the first second class, is that I listen to sounds, but I don't really listen. I'm not very observant on the visual front. So this happened when I was basically having lunch with my grandmother, and she was saying things, and I was more intent on understanding what expressions. What happened now was that I was taking more time to process and respond rather than being brash and respond too early. Yes. So, yes, on the first few attempts, it looked like, I'm like, okay, they finished talking, and what are you doing for the next 2 seconds? There's a lag. But then it did help me communicate better. It did get better, of course, through the course of time.
Yes.
It helped me communicate better with my dad, because whenever my dad used to get angry, I'd be like, okay, now he's getting angry because of this. These are the things I said, or this is from where he's coming. So it opened a new perspective for me. It allowed me to understand from, like, empathy is, as you said, empathy is a word we throw around a lot. Like, we don't really get into their shoes. This helped me to understand from the other perspective. Like, it helped me to understand that, okay, forget empathy, you can at least be the observer outside the entire circle and see where this is coming from without holding a grudge, holding things in suspension. So what NLP has taught me is that you can probably take a few steps back, observe the picture before you go in and make a comment, or before you make a judgment about something. Because subconsciously you make judgment, but at least make a better judgment. Make something close to the right judgment. So if there's someone who wants a shift in their thinking, or probably to accept that, or to find out is the way of my thinking or the way of my belief is right, I would definitely recommend the person. And I would definitely ask them to spend 6 days. I know most of the people don't get 6 days, but if it's something that you believe you want to change your perspective of life, your perception of life, I would really suggest them to come and join this.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Because NLP, I just think it's the gift to the world. You know,
Yeah.
instead of so much of suffering and tension and dramas in our personal relationship or professional, this is just such a fabulous gift of just beginning to own and beginning to be aware of how we are perceiving others, beginning to own our maps, updating our maps. So thank you so much, Tarun. Thank you.
So I just want to confess something, Bhavna here. I was introduced to NLP, I think about 8-9 years back by a friend. But that point of time, it happened through some facilitators who were outside Hyderabad, and who had priced up their 3-day course exorbitantly high. And once I just spoke to them, they chased me to know and to join their course. So at that time, I just brushed them aside. I said, I'm never going to NLP. I'm just not getting into this whole thing. If this is how the facilitators are, if that is how it is going to be, I will not attend this. So after 10 years, when this first came up, I actually got Alay, my husband, to join you. And it was Alay who pushed me. I said, nahi, mind wine mein se nahi hota, it is not for me, kind of thing. But Alay really pushed me. And what I've learned is all these things are there upon the internet. A lot of people say, but I've realized something so important. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. And that comes very clearly through your facilitation, Bhavna. Of course, I've had my coaching sessions with you, and they have largely helped me. But this last 6 days, before this course, I would take offense at anybody who would tell me, just check on what you are doing or why you're getting worked up. Now I step out and I say, okay, wait, what is this that I'm missing here? What is the missing link here? My behavior, I'm more observant, I'm more to whatever is happening. And I think that will stay with me. And I'm not sure if I will use all the tools, but if it is anything that I would want to use, at least use one tool to the best of my ability. That's something I would like to do. And every day I would look forward to 3 o'clock of when I would join you guys. So yeah, I'm going to miss that. And it's been a very enthusiastic and learning, a lot of exchange of ideas. And like you say, that people are books themselves. So sometimes just by observing, you learn so much about yourself. So it's been very, very extremely enriching experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Shilpa. I'm going to stop.